Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 314th episode and the second episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a great side dish that'll be perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to make corn pudding. And my friends, this is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of corn goodness, simple and easy to make. And once you bite into it, it just melts in your mouth. It's so soft like clouds. This corn pudding would be the star of the show. Everybody will enjoy this dish. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your baking dish, your corn, and your cornbread mixed sugar, because we're about to bake some corn pudding magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 2 slightly beaten eggs at room temperature, 1 14.75 ounce can of cream corn, 1 16 ounce bag of frozen whole kernel corn, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of sour cream that let come to room temperature. And the sour cream will make the corn casserole nice and creamy. We're going to give it a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, the last ingredient, 1/2 stick of unsalted butter melted, 1 6-ounce package of cornbread mix, and stir that in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, our corn filling is done. Look how nice and creamy that looks. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our baking dish. We're going to pour it in a 9x13-inch long baking dish that I greased with cooking spray. Alright, my friends, I got the corn filling into the pan. Now we're ready to bake it. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern corn pudding. It smells heavily up in this kitchen. I love the smell of corn. And look how nice and golden brown that looks. Alright, so now I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes and then I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Creamy and succulent. Oh, I love that crunch from the whole kernel corn. Please give this corn pudding a try. This is amazing. Corn pudding delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Much love, let's eat, and happy Thanksgiving.